Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Khasi Student Union Neya Unit hakar po atuk leber aladar pausan kelapen kubura meke pun rungut kisam la puli Khasi ke Neya kibla pendep ke jing puli doktor nagi shlam puli jonga Neya. Haga ni gesngi la pedang buram ru ikikat perangut kisam la puli bedang rong thamai ban puli doktor haga balasa kilang du ujian sekretari jonga KSU sangkimi samla Donald V Thaba ubla long kumukongsan ringkat ke jenalang jong deputy director ke Neya Uba E. Wanshai Shinran, Chairman Jog Education Cell ke KSU Sengkemi, Usamla Penkemen Langsan Mien, Presiden ke Nehusu, Usamla Sandi Sotun, Presiden ke KSU Nehu Unit, Usamla Shibat Rembai Bat Kiwe.
The KSU unit, for me personally as an administrator here, has also been a form of support, because I still remember during the agitation at that time or be thereafter, they have been very helpful in giving suggestions and they are very forthcoming in their requests and their demands. One of the issues that we had faced was for the BHMS students, the graduates. I mean, maybe some of you are here. We had faced really serious issues. Then I clearly remember the KSU Neya unit had come to me in January that their registration was still not done. We call it the second schedule. That their second schedule has still not been done. I contacted the concerned officials who deal with this matter, the concerned faculty. They explained to me that, of course, that the matter was pending at Nehu. We couldn't help it. I mean, we can't. I thought it is unfair for me to tell them please go and talk to the KSU Nehu unit to help us and all. So we tried to formulate another way. We found another way. We took 3 of our staff, made them sit in in Nehu office, made them do the work that was supposed to be done by Nehu, but it's not a complaint. I understand because of the agitation that's ongoing there, it could not be done. Our staff did their job. Immediately thereafter, I went to Delhi, spoke to the people in Delhi, and if I'm not wrong, last week itself, the second schedule that was due for the BHMS students, that also has been declared. Then comes the request of the first year students regarding their electives. Then they had come to me. I was not aware of it. They had come to me. That also was resolved within 6 hours. So these are the issues. I am very happy that we have students. The Khasi students, they speak on behalf of the whole student community here at NEA. They speak on behalf of everyone here at NEA. They do not come here with the notion that I will speak only for the Khasi students. And these are the values that I really cherish. These are the values that I really love about the Khasi Students Union. These are the values that we need to teach to all the students here. Look, these are what our students, these are what we as students require. These are what we as students are supposed to be here. That's why when I say that when I see them, I feel very much at home. Of course, I am at home, but I do not see them as student agitators or like that. I see them as someone seeking a resolution to their immediate problems, and I try, and we, not I, we as an institution, we try to provide that as far as possible.
Ngidron dia kejuk kanyang snow pangilong kaway kasna. Ngiday bang teli namar kakung gay na bangayo snow kamtang kani institute pag kamtang ki wiro ki central institute balaban kini ki students way jong ki political parties tani ki right students organization ki bastang influence influence ya program kami banuan dan terbaik yang diperoleh atas nama kijongi pembesar dan kijongi berkat kijongi bahkan ini adalah kapai adalah kini kita melihat Rusia untuk kerja penerima dengan kita nasal menang pakai kejengkelku yang pergi sama boleh pakai kasih student senior kadang akademik institute karena melangnya pergi kan petiap penyakli para staff di badan akademik institute tak mengoda kunjung IPW Ngatin kok kirang ia kaki isu ia yunen bakadanglah balai kejing syakri ke berhatang jalan kiparat do prasna berkenai pentul ia kejing syakri ke juga agislan di masawan jumlah abadlan idon kesna mereka hantai po studi idon kesna mereka hantai po university idon kesna mereka apo Selangor College bagi idon di college ia kapag isu kadang menghijau kesna mereka dikendiang akwa penyepasan pergi ke unit maka isu isnak perkam daka di betul hagi jaga pulih ke kampian kendiang bagi isnak perkam di betul hagi sunok kita kalau terekam juga isu hagi isnak perkam juga di betul jaga pulih kalau baik bentuk dia kapit kampian jadi semua pulih ke premium trap bentuk kena bakahon ke jongki ke pegidai banyo atau ke institut kami bersayuran kita ikutnya lakukan lagi hostels kita kena jadi kisah ke isu lembaga senat terekam juga ke penting kena kita bisa boleh nak beri nyutram kita kiyo kompa kombi kiyo kapal kini bagian facilities kita beri hak banyo katkom rules and regulations juga untuk institute kita bantu menteri kita saat kerja hanu kaki isu kaya berpendru jadi fee structure juga dalam institute atau kaya yang lembaga act rules and regulations banding statute juga kita institution proprietary kaki isu berpendru habis board admission dan putukna bahatu kata hak tepat kejongi kita cakap kita mau iyo ada yang kalau yang trik katum kahok dalam chat ini bagi kita akan dikirkan terekam kita kendian lesen dan pasal lebih kita isnak terekam bagi isu hidup pendam haki jangka pulih dari haki institusi proprietary
apanya perkat penyedrai punya isnailam iwe begini snok tilam para mengi kerana mengilak menyerap ya lebih mengilak menyerap para mengi nomor kita kam hadut kata-kata yang jengit teli hamtam dikum kecek menteri keberdepan dari pihak ini isrok posor sulong pinyu iba yang ini ding tujuan iba sibuk sentiu di tengah-tengah ding tujuan ding haba tidak kena di jepun mabu syak sempat demi kipat dari pihak yang ding tujuan gue pin kedia kalau besuk rela tapi belum lang poro ding tujuan ai sikum persang kedia pimlang kita gedi kejingikai iba ini juyo nado dagret akpor bilang di sekolah bakade kaba kejingikai kaba pona ba pada kejingeteli ndre kumno panwara ya kata kejingeteli ni hapan perkat ni hapan pusat nomor teng kamlo ko basa bolong ai pieteli tangga tien kamla ban urlo barbor di kakam kakang kamcam ya tien bat ni hapan practice sigai ke bangi preach kumno ninyo kata kejingeteli para kasih lada dei kenya lada dei posno ko tha lani hak anu ke institute bangin jupran minum aling nya teli kamdai ke besuk ring hak don kata ka commitment kata ka sincerity nak yang kajungi we bangin nya isen element we nya dan kata ka jung stu jengmut para mangi nya dan kata tamon subha bangin nya trailang para mangi nya kentiu para mangi bangin penduk ya kata kajungnya keren bank kajungi kentos new we nama kajungi kentos new we karena memang saya perlu apa Andre perpoi penpan ini sekejing jat sekejing dan poi sekejing apa kejing perah lalu ini long teli kau ini long kita dia sipung iba manu ini bertemu menyurat ini iba tombor ini kinamlah pan kedia iu budum jungi lalu ini don rekat ini don pun kau ini kejek bendriu lalu ini som pun kau ini kejek bendriu Andre lalu ini pat ini perah ini don kejek pilih lasai bisa le don bor mapi itu isngap insya Allah dan bor sinte ting sap kamut kani kan lokal cycle haka bagi insya Allah dan ini fix sabar teng insya Allah insya Allah ben andre hari la jomru insya Allah haka takarkom nyimdai pan aila la gibril diwan habori jungi bawat nyin buram miki ngin aja nak hospitality ke ba ko gejek beri pasti ngila paunam andre haka juga bor idi buram iki sentiments ki jungi idi buram bagi di try juga ni kendo siap om bagi sulit dan bor nomor lagi lihat entah ni habdon kata kabor hak bagi penpai kala bagi pestu iki know your place ni hablong gajak menteri kota undai bagi ngilong terminal dan ngilong reses dari kita bagi pensengai menteri ba ni buram epi piru buram namengi ha kejaka kejungi.
Dr. Naib Isara PM Mawang, Barukundu Dr. Ian Isara, Barukundu Yati Dr. Ibana Sadap. Song Hyang, Dr. Sulvania Marbayang. Baru tuju ini Dr. Baya Itikok Tangki. Di Jongga, Kejune Ayunet,